He is outside being a street pharmaceutical entrepreneur.
So you want me to count drug dealing money?
I know that he collects extra money. I know that the money
I'm
that he
asking
has.
a specific question to you, Ms. Thompson. You would like me to attribute to his income drug dealing money? You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
I do.
You both can put your hands down. Sir, would you please state your first and last name?
Lauren Reese.
And ma'am, your first and last name? There was a temp order entered on this case on June the 7th, 2024, and both parties were present. And in the temp order, there was a confirmation of arrears for child support and medical support. And there was a temp modification of child support and medical support. And we're back today to finalize. Counsel for the state, you may proceed.
Judge, there's a partial agreement for, I guess, the new judgment amounts as of July 31st, 2024, in the amount of $27,000.
Wait, one second. So are you changing payout amounts?
No.
Okay, so is there a reason why you're taking a new judgment?
I just did not know the court's preference on that, but if we can just,
I mean, if that's what you want to, if that's what you want to do, I mean, normally you just keep the same if it's the same payout or something. That's fine, but it's a partial agreement. How much time are you requesting?
15 minutes.
Okay, so 15 minutes it is. Counsel, you may proceed.
Okay, and Judge, we'll just keep the judgments the same in the temporary order. And basically, that's the only agreement the parties have. And so I will call Ms. Thompson. Please state your name, ma'am.
Lindsay Thompson.
Okay, and you were here in June 7th, 2024, and obtained a temporary order. Is that correct?
Yes.
And the court had asked, well, let me ask you this first. Is there any violence between you and Mr. Reese that has happened since that last order?
From this past 2 months? No.
Okay. Is there any reason why, any new reason why you would not want your information be disclosed in this order?
I mean, just past experiences with him frauding and taking my kids' information.
And what date would that have happened?
Back in 2018 and 19.
Okay, and so back in the 2018 and this current order from June 2024, the court did not order non-disclosure. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, but you're asking for it today?
Yes.
But for the old reasons?
Correct.
Okay. Now, you were asked by the court to apply for benefits for the children through Social Security. Is that correct?
Correct.
So, okay. Did you do that?
Yes.
And what was the result of that?
They said that they were not eligible for benefits.
Okay. And so, and that's why there was a temporary order and we're back today on final, correct?
Correct.
And the temporary orders, the judge set child support based on his disability of 972, his disability income. Is that correct?
Yes.
And set support at 154 and medical support at 58. Is that correct?
It's correct. I don't agree with it, but it's correct.
Right. So you wanted to go before the court again and express your disagreement with those amounts. Is that right?
Correct.
And why do you disagree with those, the modifications based on his Social Security income?
Because I know that he makes more, and I know that he's not the only one that lives in the building or his apartment that is working. So it's not, I mean, not working, but collecting money. So it's not just his income.
So we're only going to use his income because that's what Texas says to use. And if you believe he's earning income someplace else, do you have proof? Do you know where he works, how much he earns, any pay?
I have proof from my 10-year-old child that tells me that he is outside being a street pharmaceutical entrepreneur.
So you want me to count drug dealing money?
I know that he collects extra money. I know that the money
I'm
that he
asking a
has.
specific question to you, Ms. Thompson. You would like me to attribute to his income drug dealing money? Yes or no?
Yes.
How would I know how much that is?
You would have to ask him.
Okay. Go ahead, Ms. Warren. Next question.
What kind of medical do you currently have for the children?
They have Medicaid. It's lapsed, but it comes back into play on August 23rd.
Okay. All right, I will pass this witness and call Mr. Reese. Mr. Reese, please state your name.
Warren Reese.
Has there been any violence between you and the mother since June 2024?
No, ma'am.
Any reason why you would not want your information for safety reasons to be included in a court order?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And Mr. Reese, what is your current income?
Social Security.
In the amount of that I stated earlier, the 972?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's
If you have-
SSDI, correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And what's the disability?
Mental and physical.
Okay, SSDI, not SSI, correct?
Correct.
Okay, go ahead, counsel.
Do you have any additional income, Mr. Reese?
No, ma'am.
You heard Ms. Thompson saying that you are a street pharmacist, dealt in street pharmaceuticals. Is that correct?
No.
Okay. Do you get any other income, maybe what we call under the table?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you asking the court to maintain your child support as the court set it in the temporary orders at $154 a month for child support and $58 for medical support?
Yes, ma'am.
And this would be, in the final order, it would begin September 1st, 2024. Is that what you're asking for?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No further questions. And the state requests Mr. Reese to pay court costs as billed within 60 days.
The temp order is finalized with no changes. Fathers assess the court cost 60 days from today's date, and I will grant the mother's request for the non-disclosure finding. Anything else you need, counsel, for the state?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
You both are free to go. Have a great day. And if you disagree with my ruling, appeal my decision. You have 3 working days from today's date to do that. You would have to file it yourself or hire your own private attorney. The AG's office does not represent either of you. Unless a district court judge changes this order, this becomes the order of the court immediately. You both will receive a copy of this order via your emails today. Thank you both. Have a good day.